This is Google AdSense Arbitrage Course. All right, so this is specifically about Google AdSense Arbitrage Course. This course deals with how you can load Google AdSense with excess fund, like up to $4,000, $5,000. All right, you will be able to load Google AdSense accounts. All right, so you might not be good at search engine optimization, and you want to earn big on Google AdSense. All right, so with AdSense Arbitrage, or should I say Google AdSense Arbitrage or Google AdSense Loading that works in 2022, you will be able to load your Google AdSense accounts the right way without facing any penalty from Google AdSense. All right, so everything here is white hat. All right, so just remember that everything here is white hat. All right, so please, in case you are new to this channel, what we will ask you to do for us now is for you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please just subscribe. All right, when you subscribe, don't forget to drop a comment. Drop any kind of comment you want, but not hurtful comment. All right, so please, we want subscribers, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You drop a comment, you like and share the video with your friends as well. Please, it's important to us. All right, so that's the best way I think you can support us. Support us by dropping a comment, you share, like the video, and share with your friends again. All right, so on talking about arbitrage, Google AdSense arbitrage, what it actually means is you buying traffic for less price, or even following other methods to get real human traffic at lesser price, then it converts. So what arbitrage means actually in real sense is buying at cheap price and selling at higher rate for you to make profit. Okay, so these are the tips you will be getting here. All right, so the first on our list is how to boost your AdSense earning. How to boost your Google AdSense earnings. All right, so you will learn everything in the course. Okay, you will learn everything in the course. So if I can get up to 500 comments, then I will share everything. I will share it with every of my subscribers. All right, so if I can get up to 500 comments and get some shares, I will share the video with you directly. I will share the video link with you, everything you will need to learn about Google AdSense arbitrage. I mean the whole course, the full course, which costs around 500,000 euro. I'm going to be showing you everything. You will learn everything in that course, and you will be able to boost your AdSense earnings the right way without facing penalty or getting Google AdSense ban. All right, so how to get organic traffic. This is more of search engine optimization to get organic traffic to your website directly. All right, so you will learn this thing pushing when you talk about Google AdSense arbitrage. All right, so you should note something, that you need to balance your organic traffic with your paid traffic for you not to get Google AdSense ban. All right, so we'll show you exactly how you're going to be doing these things in the course. Okay, this is where you have to share this to your friends. Whenever you're able to share the video, you drop comments. If I can get up to that 500 comments, definitely I will share the video with all of you. All right, I mean my subscribers, I'm going to be mentioning you guys individually, and I'll share it with all of you. All right, so you'll be able to get organic traffic doing white hats search engine optimization. All right, so we head over to the third one, which is how to run Facebook ads. I'm talking about the cheapest method. All right, so when we are talking about let's say in dollars, I see some people being charged up to 0.5 or even $1, 0.5 cents or even $1 for just clicks. All right, so you will be able to run this ads safely. Even you are running in Naira, you're going to be running this at a very cheap rate. Okay, I will tell you how to target and how to get the best of it, how to make profit running Facebook ads. All right, how to make Google AdSense profit, enough profit running Facebook ads at cheap rates. Okay, this will favor you and you will make a whole lot of profits. So long you follow the method, everything we'll be sharing with you, so long as you follow it, you'll be making a whole lot of profit. All right, so I will teach you everything in the course if you're able to do what I want. And heading to number 4 is how to not get banned from getting Facebook traffic. All right, so this is a deep secret. Like every single day you keep hearing people talking about Google AdSense disable, ban, all of those stuff. All right, but here in the course we'll guide you on the right stuff to do. Okay, we're going to be taking you hand by hand, like we're going to be walking you through every step of that you need to take and not get to Google AdSense cancelled, ban, or anything. All right, so you will learn everything in the course and you will be able to load your Google AdSense account AdSense account loading. All right, you're going to be loading it with enough dollars or pounds, even euros, depending on the country AdSense account you're using. Okay, and you're going to be cashing out every month. All right, so you're going to be cashing out every month, reasonable amount. All right, so you will learn it in the course. All right, so but if you want to get it directly, you can just hit my inbox and you will get it, and you pay a little sum instead of waiting that far for you to get it. All right, so please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You drop a comment, share with your friend, you like our video. All right, so the fifth one is how to turn Facebook traffic to organic. All right, I need to break this down here. I don't need to take you that far. I don't need to wait till you get 500 likes or comments before I share this. So I'm going to be sharing this here, how you can turn Facebook traffic to organic for you to increase your Google AdSense earning. All right, so this is part of arbitrage. All right, so even if you're running the Facebook ad I told you about, like the cheapest Facebook ad method, you're going to be using this method. All right, so now I've copied my YouTube link, then I will go to google.com. all right, so I've copied my link and I'll go to google.com, and when you go to google.com, this page opens. All right, let's assume this is your website URL. Okay, so this is it. Now after opening this, I'm going to my web address, my address bar. I'm going to my address bar there, then you copy that link you are seeing there. You will see your website link in between. That's Google redirection. So you copy it and go to bit.ly. That is a link shortening URL, a URL shortening site, or should I say tool. All right, so go and shorten the link, and when you shorten the link, you can use that link to push traffic to that page, and it will be converted to Google AdSense, Google, or should I say organic traffic. It won't be showing Facebook anymore. All right, so what you should do is just follow the procedure I shared with you, and you'll be able to make enough of it. But this Google AdSense Arbitrage course is something that is packaged in such a way that it will skyrocket your Google AdSense earning on a monthly basis. All right, so you will keep cashing out big time with this method I have just shared with you. All right, so you can be able to turn your Facebook traffic or organic traffic to your Facebook traffic to organic. All right, so this is the URL. So if you want to run the campaign, I mean the Facebook ads, you can use that. All right, so please, in case you're new to the channel, I beg you, don't forget to subscribe. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's important to us. Please subscribe. All right, just subscribe and expect more content. Subscribe.